What's going on, guys? My name is Grant. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys the exact method I use to find $10,000 per month winning dropshipping products. I use this exact method to find winning products for completely free. In this video, I'm going to be using two different software tools that both have free trials, so you can find winning dropshipping products for completely free. This method does not require any financial commitment, which is exactly why I love it. And it actually helped me find a winning product that I scaled on Snapchat ads to over $500 in 2 weeks, which if you calculate that for 1 month, it would be $10,000 in 1 month. So without further ado, I want to thank you guys for all the recent support. We just passed 3,000 subscribers, which is actually crazy. I can't thank you guys enough for being such a great community. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe down below. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So in this video, the tools I'm going to be using are minea and shophunter. These tools are both great because they offer free trials and they're the best in the industry for product research. Minea actually just revamped their entire software and their website. As you guys can see, they've got a brand new website here and they redesigned the entire back end of the software too and added a bunch of new features. Minea is great because there's a ton of YouTubers who use it. People like AC Hampton, Sebastian Escueda, Nathan Nazareth, Hayden Bowles, and Austin Rabin. I'm sure you guys know who they are. There's some goats in the e-com space and they all use Minea. So that's exactly why I recommend it to anyone who's interested in doing some product research. So hopping right in, this is what the minea platform looks like. They've got a bunch of different stuff here on the homepage, a few winning products, and just a few little quick links here. They've got another tab that allows you to browse ads from competitors. They've got another tab that allows you to look at shops from other dropshipping stores. And finally, they've got a tab that allows you to browse winning dropshipping products that are trending right now. For this video, we're going to be on the ads tab. And as you can see, they've got Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. Facebook is great because it's got every single ad across the platform available for you to see. Pinterest is great for finding untapped dropshipping products. A lot of products that work on Pinterest will also work on TikTok, which is good to know. But for this video, we're going to be on the TikTok tab. We're going to be looking for a winning TikTok product. So here is what I like to do. I like to change the date to the last 14 days. To make sure we're only seeing the most recent ads. And I also like to filter it by the e-commerce platform Shopify, just to make sure that we're seeing the recent ads and we're only seeing ads of products that are sold on Shopify stores. Because if it's sold on Shopify, it's much more likely to be a dropshipping store. So looking through a few ads here, what are we seeing? A couple of real brands. This looks like those insoles. Some stuff going on here. What is this? What does soda do to your teeth? This seems like a teeth product or something. Tooth material. Oh man, it's already yellow. Oh, it's the High Smile. Okay, this is a good example for this video. Let's check it out. If you click see more, you can see all of the ad analysis here. 8.8 million plays, and it's only been running for 8 days, which is actually insane. These guys have been pumping money into this ad, so it's definitely converting pretty well for them. As you guys can see, we can see this ads from the same advertiser. They're running a ton of different ads right now, but it seems like this is their big hitter recently. 12 million plays is crazy after just 12 days. Oh, they did a free toothpaste offer. Oh, no way. Okay, so now that we can see that this brand is running some good ads, let's actually verify that the brand is making money. So we're going to click right here and go to their product page. And as you guys can see, well, this is their homepage, but here's their main winning products: the whitening bundle, the V34 color correcting serum, and then the flavored toothpaste. Also, I've seen this product around, the tooth gloss. I guess it makes your teeth shiny. I don't really know. But this color correcting serum is the product that we are interested in. So if we just take this, copy the link, we can see that their website is absolutely insane. 10 out of 10 website. Better than Bleem, honestly, if I had to say my opinion. So let's just throw it into shophunter here. And holy cow, $435,000 this month. That's actually pretty crazy. These guys are making some mad money off of this toothpaste, which is honestly awesome. As you guys can see, shophunter shows us we're using the Slate theme, and the apps we're using are Looks and Klaviyo. Their best-selling product here was the V34 color correcting serum with $131,000 in revenue this month, which is absolutely pretty crazy. So I've actually seen this product on AliExpress. If you guys really wanted to rip this brand, you could do the same exact thing. As you guys can see, here it is. You could make a brand called Smile Kit instead of High Smile, and who's going to notice? The customers are not dedicated to any type of brand, so if you make a website that looks amazing and you name your brand Smile Kit, you can easily steal some of these customers from High Smile. The only problem is you could be subject to a lawsuit. I don't want any of you guys getting sued, so I do not recommend this, but you could make some money. So I've actually seen this be done in the past. Somebody in my Discord server used this product and they did a free plus shipping offer, which was a pretty good one. It's a little bit scammy, but it worked for him. As you guys can see, they have an amazing website. But yeah, that was just an example of how to find a winning product and verify that it's making sales. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you're interested in getting any of these tools, I'll leave them in the description down below. And without further ado, that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.